Good. Control right first. Left hand up, left hand up, left hand up. Perfect. Very nice. Position B. Perfect. Good, Prabhav. Nice, excellent. Relax yourself. Little wider. Keep your hands little wider. Bar. Ah, I see. Perfect. Okay, Prabhav. Now look left, turn left. Slowly left brake खींचो. Left खींचो और खींचो. Don't hesitate. Good. Hands up now. Hands up. Left hand up. Relax yourself. Perfect. Okay, Prabhav. Now look right. Pull right brake down. Bit more this time. Little bit more and hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Let the glider. Hold right. Hold right. Hold right. Let the glider finish turn. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Now hands up. Right hand up. Perfect. Perfect. Now slowly left brake. Left. Left. Left bit more. Okay. Now both hands up. Slowly both hands up. Wider. Keep your hands wider. Bar or bar. Good. Keep going. Little right. Little right. Perfect. Just relax. See, look at the wind direction. Good. Little left now. Left. Hold left. Okay. Equal pressure both sides. Perfect. Left hand slowly come करिए. Left come करिए. Now full brake for your landing. Hey, get up, man. Flying खत्म हो गई. Come on.